चलते चलते में आपका स्वागत है। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं मेरे आज के मेहमान कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह हैं और कैप्टन साहब ये आपके फरमाइश पे नहीं लेकिन आपके हुक्म पे ये जगह हमने चुनी है क्योंकि ये वॉर मेमोरियल है। इतने सालों में जो हज़ारों सैनिक मरे हैं उत्तर भारत के, पंजाब, हरियाणा, हिमाचल, कश्मीर के, उनके लिए, और मैं सोचता हूँ कि भारत में सबसे अच्छा वॉर मेमोरियल है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात। ये मेरी पलटन का तो यहाँ मेरे 40 जवान मरे
बिल्कुल
थे।
इसलिए 1965 के सामने हमने बिल्कुल आपको खड़ा भी किया है।
तो ये मेरे कई जब नाम देखता हूँ याद आती है उनकी।
आपके रेजिमेंट के हैं?
मेरी पलटन की जो पूंछ के मरे थे।
जी हाँ, पूंछ में काफ़ी नास्टी बैटल था वो।
हाँ, राजा रानी का दोनों।
जी हाँ।
और डोगराज के भी।
Is your first love politics or is your first love military history?
Military history.
Military history.
Military history. Your first love is always what is your choice, and my choice was joining the army, and that is from when I was a little boy, and I had to leave because my mother went to parliament, my father went out as ambassador, my brother was also in the army. Otherwise, perhaps I would have stayed on forever.
So, are you trying to say that army was a choice or politics majburi?
Exactly that. It had to become majburi because there was nobody left at home, and I had to leave. And once you leave, and once I took part in my mother and father's campaign, then you get to know people, and then then you can't get out.
और नशा भी आता है politics का?
Not as much as being in the service, in the army. I think it's a different thing. There you are a close-knit family. When you have to stand by each other when the chips are down, and your relationship is different. Here, there.
यहाँ when chips are down तो पीछे से छुरा मारा।
ये भी मैं बता दूं, उस सर्विस में कोई झूठ नहीं बोलता, इस सर्विस में कोई सच नहीं बोलता। इतना फर्क है।
तो ये झूठ वालों से कैसे मुकाबला करते हैं? हमारे साथ वैसे सच बोलना आज। तो पॉलिटिक्स में अप एंड डाउन भी हुए। हाउ डू यू डिस्क्राइब टुडेज फेज? आप अभी अप हैं या डाउन हैं?
No, I think it's fine. People.
I know all Sardars would say चढ़दी कला, but
No, मैं बताता हूँ। अब देखो, I am 47th year in politics. So 47 years में आप सीख भी जाते हो बहुत कुछ। और ये जो ऐसे बोलते हैं आम वगैरह, this is what they were saying about PPP in the last election. ये PPP की गवर्नमेंट आ गई, प्रेस बोलती थी कि चीफ मिनिस्टर यही बन जाएगा, फलाना बन जाएगा, एक सीट नहीं आई उनकी।
PPP was मनप्रीत बादल।
Now you have the same noise going on about Kejriwal. They don't have a face, they don't have a policy, they don't have a program, they have nothing. And this is only frustration speaking from the youth. And what is that? Because they can't find jobs. Punjab's economy is going in shambles.
So who's your competition in this election? Akali Dal or Aam Aadmi Party?
I think it will be Akali Dal. Akali Dal, why? Because they are a 100-year-old party, we are a 130-year-old party. We have fixed bases you have. In every village you have congressmen. In their Sikh villages you have Akalis. So you have somebody who, whether you give a goat a ticket, those people will vote. And that is what both of us have.
Vote for goat, अच्छी line है। Amrinder, if you look at this, I mean, this is bulk of them are for Punjab, and later one part became Haryana. But say up to 65, and definitely
you have Himachal also.
Himachal also, yes. Bulk, but Himachal also used to be Punjab.
Yes.
Right. So this was a region of soldiering, sporting excellence, all kinds of things adventurous.
Yeah.
Has it all died down right now?
It's died down. Why? But it's coming back.
Because in sports it's missing now. I see the odd hockey star now coming up. Sardar is there, a couple of more are there. And that's why Indian hockey is looking better, in fact.
Well, let me tell you why. I think it's this frustration, number one, and as a consequence, drugs. And this is why I am proposing and pushing that we should bring in more sports clubs, both for girls and boys. Girls are taking drugs now.
Right.
And so that they get involved in sports. And what is happening, it's a very good thing. I know a couple of my colleagues, MLAs, who are organizing cricket matches. And in a neighboring constituency, 200 villages joined in bringing their teams. And it gets people involved in that. So sports is essential. And that, of course, from there, we will get people thrown up.
Because in the neighborhood, Haryana is doing so well right now. It gets 2/3 of India's medals.
Yes, absolutely.
Much smaller.
But
Haryana.
even here, look, my son took over the NRAI, I think 4 or 5 years ago. And this year we will have the maximum representative, and perhaps one of the few gold medals or silver medals coming to will be shooters.
But the problem is, it's good some people are shooting this way, most people are shooting this way.
That's the worst thing. That is the worst thing, and that is, and I'm not. That is, of course, heroin is a terrible thing.
Yes.
But apart from that, this new chitta which has come in, this chemical.
So what exactly is this?
I don't know which chemical goes in, but it's a blend of chemicals. And I'm told that if a man with heroin can last for 5 years, this man lasts for 2 years.
And
I've
is
got mohallas in my Amritsar.
Is it smoked? Is it sniffed?
No,
is
no,
it
no.
injected?
It's chitta.
Yeah.
Oh, frankly, I don't know how they use it. But I think sniffing, isn't it? But I saw some girls the other day sniffing it on a Facebook. And 3 young girls sitting and sniffing this stuff. So what they do it, how they use it, I can't tell you, but I can tell you that it's something that is destroying Punjab.
Destroying Punjab. So to that extent, you don't think this Udta Punjab characterization is wrong?
No, I'm all for it. I had even told the producers, you give me the originals, at my expense, at my even my legal expense, I will go and fight it and release it in Punjab. Why are you trying to hide something which is there? Who does it bother? It bothers the guys who are in government today.